Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Now today I've got a special video for you with everyone stuck indoors, self-isolation. We're going to be making salsa and dancing salsa in the comfort of your own kitchen. So like anything, salsa starts with basics.
So like the basics of salsa, the African drums, we've got our fundamental basics, some high quality tomatoes, vine ripened, and we're just going to want to peel these. So we're going to put a little X in the bottom of each tomato and boil for exactly 13 seconds to just release the skins. Straight into a nice bath, allow them to rest, and we're going to get these peeled. Just gently undress each tomato. Now to pull it all together, just got to quarter each tomato. As we're going to want to get rid of the seeds, so our salsa isn't waterlogged. But we want to keep the juices of the tomato. There's so many umami flavour compounds, and all that flavour is inside and coating the seeds. So we're just going to put that over a sieve and scrape it out so we can keep all those umami flavour compounds. I'm just going to get this onto the stove in a pan just to reduce down. And while that's reducing, we're just going to dice or concasse our tomatoes. You could use a food processor for this, but I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. So with our tomatoes diced down, we're going to take a few of our tomato quarters, add that into our pan with our reduced tomato juices, and we're just going to puree this, get this into the rest of our tomatoes, and this is going to help to kind of bind and bring together those dice of tomatoes. So with this finished, we've got the groundwork, the fundamentals done. But like salsa with the African beats, the Cuban influences, all the flavour and spice and soul, we're going to want to add those extra ingredients to really bring it to life and bring it together. So we've got some shallots that we've just soaked in water to take the harshness away. And we've got some garlic. We're just going to take up the centre piece as it's quite young, quite harsh. And that garlic straight into our bowl. More flavour, more spice. Got some red chilli. Now some freshness, some lime zest, and that acidity. Just a little bit of lime juice. No salsa complete without those top notes, those trumpets, those herbs. We've got some coriander. I'm just going to roll it up and chop this into our salad. Little season, and bring it all together.
Thanks for watching this video guys, I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you're looking to learn to dance salsa when isolated at home, if you're an individual or you are in a couple, there's a fantastic dance school, Alchemy, March and Davina. They're doing online salsa classes. So I highly recommend you go and check them out. I'm going to put a link for them somewhere around here. But thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you next time.